Hey guys, Shobby Cow here, and we are welcome by.
Chocolate Bear.
And today we are going to be playing Dumb Ways to Die. And sadly, Chocolate Bear can't play because technical difficulties. It's like her thing won't start and everything. But she will definitely be in the next video, we promise. And sorry we haven't been posting a lot. And yeah, this is our voice as well. So let's just get straight into it. Okay. So let's wait for it to load. Wait for the screen. Okay. So let's go. Yeah. Let's see if this works. Okay. I'm not sure what to do here. Is he alive? Did he die? Yeah, he's dead. I don't know how to do that one. Okay. Try to do this one, I guess. No! I'm sorry. Yeah. No! I killed oh my god. I killed everyone. I'm sorry. I'm really bad at this game, guys, as you can tell, but I'll get used to it. Just let me play it and get along. The aim of this game is to try and get half or even complete the game today. So let's get straight into it. And this game sadly does have ads, but I won't let you guys watch them. I'll blur them out or I'll just skip them. But yeah, let's wait for the screen again. Okay. Let's try not kill anyone this time. Ooh, double swat. Okay. Okay, what's next? Get the fool. Get the oh my god, no. I killed him. Okay, keep him afloat. No! Okay. We have one life left, guys. Come on. Faster, no! Yes, okay. This one I think we can use it. Okay. Whoop. I don't know this. I don't like this. Yes, okay, here. Bucket burgers. Okay. So, okay. Tap the door with the circle. Oh! No! I was meant to click the panda. Oh my god, guys. This game is really hard when you actually play it. But look how high we got. Ooh, we claimed that. Let's try to get the fluffy soup. Okay. Stoop, sorry. Okay, let's wait. Oh, we have an ad here. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'll see you right after the ad. Guys, I'm back and the ad was horrible, but we had to watch it. Okay. Okay. Come back! No! Died, okay. Okay, this was like my one to do. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure what's going on outside, so if you hear that, just ignore it. I'm trying to get these burgers to burn. Whoa! Oh my god, no. Yeah, she made her burgers. Okay. Okay. Faster. Swap, swap, swap! Okay, they died, okay. You can't just play around with beehives like that. Like, come on. No! I was so close! It was so close. Go back. I can't make him back. Oh god! I didn't know what I was supposed to do. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game, guys. I'm sorry you have to witness me. Okay. Chocolate Bear will definitely be in the next video. Don't worry, guys. Okay. Ooh, we got fluffy soup. Okay. Mouse? I don't even know what that could be. Let's just wait. Okay. Oh, we have another ad. Okay, guys, I'll see you after this ad as well. Okay, guys, I'm back from the ad and I get mouse. Okay. Boom. No, other way! Other way! Oh no! I had to censor that. Oh my god. Okay, let's just do this one, okay? That one was horrible. I almost censor that one. Oh my god. Ooh, I almost missed that one. Okay. Let's see what happens next. Okay. I don't really like that killer one. Patience. Ah! I don't know where that goes! Ah! That was too close, guys. I can't. Okay. Clean the puke, clean the puke, clean the puke. It's everywhere. Yes, we did it. Okay. Okay, what's the next one? Okay, this one's kind of easy. You have to keep concentrating on everything. Okay. We got a lot of points for that one. Faster, oh my god. Woo! Okay. I did it! Oh my gosh, I'm doing so good. Okay, guys. Faster. No! Oh my god. Nope, I can't do that one. Oh god, come on, we have one life left. What's next? Oh my god, no. Guys, I don't like how fast it's going. No. Okay. Carefully do that. Okay. Oh, we reached 1,000. Yes, guys, we reached 1,000, okay? We have one more life left. Come on, guys, we're so close. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's two! You can't do that's 3. You can't do that to me, I'm sorry. You went from 1 to 3. I'm sorry, you can't do that. Oh, I got the same one again. I have to censor a lot of this. Oh gosh, we got to 100. Oh, we got to 1,000. We got so much. Okay, guys, let's see how far we got. They ain't even that far. Wow. At least we got mouse. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. Wait, is this to decorate our avatar? It might be. I'm not sure. Oh, we have another ad. I'll see you guys after the ad. Okay, guys, we are back. And yeah, I'm not sure if this like gets faster just overall. I'm not sure though. How do I do this one? I don't know how to do that one. I'm sorry, I always kill him. Go! Okay. That was me. I'd nearly be out faster. Why? There's 3 balloons now. Okay. Okay. I guess that's fine. Oh, you only have to. What? I told you it goes from 1 to 3. You can't do that. Okay. Okay, that's that one coin. Coin. Okay. Ooh, I almost hit that one. Oh god. Ah. Okay, you got one over. Okay. Faster. Okay. No, not faster. Not this one. I hate this one. No. That was too close. I didn't like that. We have only 1 life left. No, we're dead. Let's see what we get, guys. Okay. No thanks. Oh, we're so close to hair. I think we have to get to hair, guys, just to end the video. Just so it's gonna be so good. Okay. So when we get to hair, I think we have to end this video, but I think that's about. Oh, another ad. Okay, guys, see you guys after the ad. Right, okay, guys, we're back, and let's just do this. Okay. What and swap. Wasn't that hurt though? Like, imagine someone's just slapping your face with like a swap. Oh god, I can't show that, guys. I'm sorry. That was too close. I want to know what happens when you hit the floor though, but like, I can't just die like that. Faster. No, not this one. This is my least favorite one to be fast. Okay. Just flip the burgers. Okay, yes, 4 burgers there. Okay. Let's just go to the next one. Oh no, I hate this. Is my least favorite one. I can't do it. Guys, we're so close to hair. I know we can do it. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we're doing. Oh, I keep thinking he gets one over. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. We have 1 life left before. Did I do it? Nope. I hope you enjoyed it, and Chocolate Bear, I hope you enjoyed it too, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.